Hey, boys and girls, I'm here again trying to help you on how to understand story problems. Today, we're working with multiplication, a little bit different than last week when we did addition and subtraction. But the most important thing is every math problem is still going to have three parts to it. It's not part plus part equals total this time because it's multiplication. In fact, today we're going to be working with total equals rate times the number of items. So the number of items in a sentence times the rate equals the total. Vamos a trabajar con lo que hicimos la semana pasada, pero vamos a hacer, en vez de parte igual a total, va a ser la velocidad por la cantidad de objetos igual el total. But what is rate? Rate is how much for one. ¿Cuánto por uno? So if you ever see a sentence that says, it is $4 per bag, or each bag is $4. That is your rate because for one bag, it costs $4. I was using the word per and each, and as you could tell in our vocab, per means one, each means one. Per y each quiere decir cada uno. So our rate would be every single time we see the word, the price of something costs this. For example, if each bag cost $1.50, that is your rate in this math sentence. Each bag is $1.50. Cada bolsa cuesta $1.50. So that is the rate here. Now we need to find the other part, which is the rate. Sorry, the number of items, because we just did the rate. Silly me. The number of items. So what is the sentence talking about? What are we buying? What are we looking at? In this sentence, we see that Jesse bought a bag of hot Cheetos every day for 4 days. So our item here is 4 days. This whole sentence talking about, yeah, he bought a bag of hot Cheetos, but we need to know for how long? For 4 days. And that is the number of items. So we would multiply those two things together to get to the total. What's the total in this sentence? Well, how much did Jesse spend after the 4 days? So after the 4 days are over, how much did he spend? That is our total. So you would set up your equation like this. Remember, total equals rate times the number of item. So the total is the green. We don't know how much he spent after the 4 days. No sabemos cuánto gastó después de 4 días. Así que eso es nuestro total. Lo que no sabemos. Y cuando no sabemos, we put a variable. When we don't know, ponemos una X. When we don't know what the missing value is. So we're going to put X, which is the total, equals the rate. Rate was the price of one thing. So the price of one bag was $1.50. So $1.50 is your rate. You would put $1.50 there times the number of items. The number of items in this sentence is that he bought bags for 4 days. If you multiply this together, you'll get your total. So that's what you're doing today. Make sure you write down the vocabulary down on the next slide and you start working through these problems. Good luck. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.